Hi, everyone. This video will show you how to fix DISM error 87 on Windows 10 or 11 in 4 ways. Tip: before applying these solutions, please make sure your DISM version and command are correct. Fix 1. Run this command with administrative rights. Press the Windows and R keys to open the Run box. Type cmd. Press Ctrl, Shift and Enter to launch an elevated command prompt. In the command window, input your desired command and click on Enter. Fix 2. Repair corrupted system files. Press the Windows and R keys to open the Run box. Type cmd. Press Ctrl, Shift and Enter to launch an elevated command prompt. In the command window, type sfc/scan now and click on Enter. Wait for its completion. Fix 3. Check for Windows Update. Press the Windows and I keys to open Windows Settings. In the Settings window, scroll down to locate Update and Security and click on it. In the left pane, select Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates to look for, download, and install any available updates. Suggestion: backup crucial data with MiniTool ShadowMaker. Launch MiniTool ShadowMaker. Click on Keep Trial. In the left pane, select Backup. Click on Source. Select Folders and Files. Choose the files you need to protect. Go to Destination to pick a storage path. Click on Backup Now. In the confirmation window, click on OK. Once done, quit this program. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.